Hey guys, welcome to Full of Beauty with me, Lizzie. We are getting ready to announce the winner of our eye makeup giveaway. This will be the second giveaway we've done on this channel. So you're going to want to stick around to the very end. I'm super pumped to announce the winner. Hey guys, me Lizzie. So I actually invited a special guest with me. This is my 14-year-old niece, Allie.
Hi.
And we are actually going to do the no makeup look. And I actually invited her because it's one of her favorite looks. So we're going to do that. It's really fun, and sometimes I don't know about you, any of you, but sometimes I'm just lazy and I don't want to do the whole shebang with my makeup. Shebang. That's my word.
Yeah.
So sometimes I still like to look a little put together and polished. Like I put some effort into it without putting a whole lot of effort into it, if you know what I mean. So we're gonna get started. Yes, shebang. We're gonna get started on that for you. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we're just gonna do a little bit of primer. Allie actually has her own primer that she likes to use.
This one smells weird.
Oh, well, why did you say that?
Okay, because this one I have.
Okay, well, we use this one. Okay. Fine. We are actually going to use this Wet n Wild Cucumber Spray Primer. So this one actually, it's kind of a triple in one. So it's a prep, set, and refresh. So you can use it for primer. You can also use it for a makeup setter after you've done your makeup. So I love it. And yeah, so we really like this one. So it's the first thing that we're going to use. We're just going to walk you through all the products that we're going to use and then we'll show you how to use them. So that's what we're going to use. That's what we're both going to use, but we actually have different BB creams that we're going to use just because we have different skin, if you can't tell.
Why do I look so dark? I'm really in this video.
Because I'm very white. Anyways, so we both have the number 7 products. I really like this drop one because it kind of works as a BB cream, a medium coverage or a full coverage depending on how many drops you use. Can't function today. So I'm actually going to use it along with this Airbrush Away number 7 Radiance Boosting Primer. So I'll use those two.
I just use this one because it feels like my skin. And that's why it's correct hair.
Why don't you show them what you're going to use? So she's going to use the number 7 City Light Tinted Moisturizer. It's basically a BB cream. It's got SPF in it, which is great because it will protect your skin from the sun. Even if you don't burn, which she obviously doesn't, the sun still causes a lot of damage. So this is you can see that, the number 7 Tinted Moisturizer. And then I'm going to use the Airbrush Away Radiance Boosting Primer along with this number 7 Match Made Custom Drop Foundation. So those are the products that we're going to use, and then we'll just use a little bit of concealer for like any imperfections. So I myself have dark circles that I'm kind of self-conscious about, so I'm going to use the Soap & Glory Purple Color Corrector. And then I'll also use this Age Rewind Under Eye Concealer.
Really
Good for you. You won't use any of this then. Those are just the products I'm going to use. Allie will basically use this primer / setter and this number 7 Tinted Moisturizer. And then I'm going to use this Thick and Fast 7 More Mascara. And let me show them what mascaras you can use.
Oh yeah. So I just use this Great Lash from Maybelline.
Hold it up to the camera so you can see.
There you go. There's gross fingers too. That one. And then I just use it. What is this? The Falsies Big Eye from Maybelline also. But I just use this for like the lower lashes. So.
Awesome. And then I'll also use just like a little bit of bronzers to give me some kind of glow. White. And then I'm also going to use this Revlon Kiss lip scrub that actually goes on as a scrub and then kind of turns into kind of a shiny gloss. So, we are going to get started on our makeup. I have a headband somewhere. Where did I put it? Here it is. I just like putting my hair back when I'm doing makeup because I don't like my hair getting in the makeup. That's that's why I have this. Okay. So, let's get started. Yeah, so the first and foremost important thing about the no makeup look is just kind of maintaining healthy skin. So just hydrated. I'm all nice and moisturized right now. I use the No. 7 Protect and Perfect moisturizer. That's my favorite one to use. So I'm just gonna use this one more primer. And I can just like spritz my face.
Yeah.
What is that to you?
Look it.
Sorry,
Scared. I don't use these.
It's just like misting your face.
I don't even spray my face.
Here, I'll spray it. There you go.
Ow. I got in my eye. What's it?
You're supposed to close your eyes.
I did.
Okay,
No.
so now I'm going to just put a little bit of primer on my hands.
Whoa. Oh wait.
You're using that. This is the
Ah.
So Allie's using the tinted moisturizer and BB cream, and I'm just gonna do like a little drop because I just want it to be a light coverage like a BB cream. So I'm just gonna like mix that in so it turns into just kind of a BB like texture, BB cream texture.
There's a lot on my hand.
It's okay, I'm just gonna spray it like this.
I can't see what I'm doing. This is scary.
Come up closer to the camera. So I'm just gonna start on the outer part. Just gonna draw like a heart on my face.
Wait, I need baby
And then I'm just gonna kind of work in an upward motion. I want to work in an upward motion because don't want to pull your skin down. You want to pull it upward.
Wait, what?
So when you put this on your face, like work in an upward circular motion. It's just BB cream, so I'm putting a little bit on.
Really, like, it's too bright for me. I'm not seeing anything.
Great. Just get it closer to me so that you're more like.
Wait, I'm just gonna do this. Ready?
Okay.
Oh, there's just a huge chunk right there.
Dan has a camera for you.
Oh,
Here for you.
Like, gross.
And then if you have,
camera.
that's not the one I wanted to use. I wanted to use this one first. So if you have any dark unders,
Oh, that was my lipstick. I was like, why are you using that?
why am I using a lipstick to paint my eyes? I'm just gonna use like a sponge just to kind of pull it up and brighten up my eye.
I didn't even put anything in that skin.
Actually, I think I'm doing this color. I'm just gonna use that color corrector.
Alright, use it.
And then bronzer brush. I'm just gonna use a tad bronzer.
How do you
Oh, there was one more product that I was going to use that I forgot to show you. But I just, whether or not I'm wearing eyeshadow, I always like to wear the eyeshadow primer just because it keeps my eyes looking fresh. So, it's the number 7.
eyelids looking fresh?
Yes, that's my eyelids.
She puts it in her eyes, guys.
Yeah, I would recommend that. But I'm just gonna put Just dab a little bit on my eyelids.
I'm done. Oh.
Did you do your mascara and everything?
Oh, it's right here.
You don't have to do this, but I like doing it just because I like my edges. Hold on, about 5 seconds.
I don't put the, what is this, the pencil color or whatever in my eyebrows because it's only left before the actual.
Oh yeah. Normally I do my eyebrows, but if I'm lazy, I'm just doing the more natural look, and I don't bother with this.
This is cooler than mine.
My eyelash curler.
Yeah. I just pulled the inside of that.
That's not what you're supposed to do.
I didn't mean to. I think I want to.
Okay, so my mascara. And then I'm just going to use this Revlon Kiss Sugar Lip Scrub. I really like it because it's really,
Oh, there's a hair on that.
cleans off all the dry stuff on my lips, but it kind of hydrates it, exfoliates and hydrates and gives it like a nice shine. So, and that's really all you have to do for the no makeup look.
Are we done?
Yep. And I just kind of comb my eyebrows a little bit. You can see just like a good concealer. I actually opted not to use this today, but normally I would.
Okay, I'm done.
No. Oh no. Voila. Hey guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe. Click that bell notification or click that bell icon so that you're notified whenever I post a new video, because they're always pretty exciting. I always have something new to share. And also, we have seen a lot of growth with this giveaway. And we're over 200 subscribers now, which we're really excited about, or I mean, I'm really excited about. We're actually over 300 now. My bad. We're actually over 300, and I'm just so excited about this, and I want to thank all of you who support this channel and have participated in this giveaway. It means a lot to me, and it's really helped grow this channel. So I hope to do more giveaways, but that will be more possible with the more growth that we see with this channel. So I'm excited for that, and I just have a few, you can actually follow me on Instagram as well at Fulla Beauty. It's basically looks the same as this YouTube channel. Just follow me on Instagram at Fulla Beauty. And yeah, if you haven't already, like and subscribe. Make sure you have your bell notification on. And I actually have a few shout outs as well, just because I'm so like over the top with excitement for everyone that has helped grow this channel and everyone's participation. But a few people that I just want to give some shout outs to that I just really noticed went above and beyond with participation, which I really appreciate. I can't express that enough. But Ritz, thank you so much for everything that you've done in your participation. Doodle and Alice, also thank you. Olivia Evans and Courtney Haynes, thank you guys all so much for everything that you've done to help grow my channel and your participation, and everyone else, just to everyone who supports this channel and has participated, thank you so much. It's really helped me a lot, and we hope to see more continual growth and be able to do many more giveaways. But that being said, we are ready to announce the winner. So I've actually chosen someone at random, and ready guys, the winner is the Mel 180. Thank you so much for your participation. Thank you so much for everything that you've done for this channel. I will be in contact with you, and everyone else, thank you. If you haven't already, like I said before, like and subscribe, click the bell icon, follow me on Instagram at Full of Beauty, and until next time, see you guys later. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, click on my face right here. If you'd like to see my skincare routine, click right here. And if you'd like to see a simple cut crease, click right here. Thanks guys.